Hey guys, in this video I will explain how you can create a video for your audio really quick and easy with MusicTube. The only things you need are an audio file and an image. So I will be drag and dropping my audio file into the queue. And the video is now created. And what I can do is change the image by drag and dropping my new image onto the video. And as you can see, it has been changed. And if I want to, I can apply any effects and overlays. So I apply a grain effect, I keep the other effect on none, and I hit save video. Let's render the video. And this takes a couple of seconds, and then the video is done. And this is the result. Thank you guys for watching. This is how you create a simple video within a matter of seconds in MusicTube. If you have any questions, you can contact us in our Discord group or via email. And if you are interested in MusicTube, check the website musictube.com, and I will see you there. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.